This screencast demonstrates how to find and search for legal periodicals on the Lexis Advance and Westlaw platforms. We'll start here on the Lexis Advance home screen. And from the home screen, before we do any searching, we'll make a couple selections to limit our search. First, I will select secondary materials from the Content Types menu. Then, because I know I'm searching for legal periodicals, I'm going to choose Law Reviews and Journals. And I'm researching self-defense as a justification in the criminal law context. So I'm going to scroll down, and from the Practice Area menu, I'm going to choose Criminal Law and Procedure. So now I'm searching Criminal Law and Procedure journals in the Law Reviews and Journals database. I can use this advanced search form to build my search, but I'm going to build a very basic terms and connectors search. I'm going to start with self-defense in the same sentence as justification, in the same paragraph as weapon. You can see I have 164 results. That's a little too many to review and manage, so I'm going to continue to use the filters on the left side to narrow those results. So the options available to me are to continue to search within results, so I can add keywords here. I can choose a jurisdiction. I can limit the timeline. And let's try this. So if I want to search recently published articles, say my issue, I'm researching an issue that's really current, I'm going to try 2011 to the present, so anything published just in the last 5 years. Now I have 43 results. That's a lot more manageable. But my other options here would be sources. I can choose one or more publications if I have a couple in mind. I can also further limit my practice area. There's some suggested keywords as well. Okay, so these are the basics in searching Lexis Advance. So now let's jump over to Westlaw and conduct a very similar search. So here we are on the Westlaw homepage, and we're going to conduct a very similar search results for. So here we are on the Westlaw homepage, and we're going to conduct a very similar search to what we did in Lexis Advance for legal periodicals. So before we do any searching, I'm going to choose secondary sources from the All Content menu. I'm going to choose Law Reviews and Journals from the Type menu. And then I'm going to scroll down to Topic, and I'm going to choose Criminal Law. So again, I've made very similar selections to our first search in Lexis Advance. I'm going to build in my same simple terms and connector search, so self-defense, in the same sentence as justification, then the same paragraph as weapon. And you can see this time I have just 26 results. So this is interesting to note, the difference in the search results between Lexis and Westlaw for the same materials. This really emphasizes how the content of these databases differs. They have different journal titles, they use different algorithms to give you results, and it really makes it worth conducting these searches on both platforms in the process of your research. So this is the basics of searching for legal periodicals in Westlaw and Lexis Advance.